Man fatally shot in alleged police shootout in St. Catherine. Woman dies after being hit by taxi in Portmore. Man killed, woman injured in gun attack at Mahogany Beach. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An investigation has been launched into the death of a man who was killed during an alleged shootout with the police near Lakes Pen in St. Catherine Wednesday night. It is reported that about 7:15 p.m., police personnel were on patrol along Port Henderson Road when, upon reaching the vicinity of a bar, the cops observed a group of men. A man reportedly brandished a handgun and started firing at the police. The police returned the fire. When the shooting subsided, the unidentified man was found with gunshot injuries. According to the police, an AG 9mm pistol was retrieved from him. He was assisted to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The Independent Commission of Investigations have launched an investigation into the incident. A tragic accident early Thursday morning claimed the life of a female pedestrian along Port Henderson Road in Portmore, St. Catherine. She is yet to be identified. It is reported that about 5:20 a.m., a taxi operator was traveling along the roadway in the vicinity of the Blaze gas station when the woman reportedly suddenly ran from the median into the path of the vehicle. Despite attempts to avoid, the woman was struck and collapsed on the roadway, where she succumbed to her injuries. The police arrived at the scene and conducted a breathalyzer test on the driver. No signs of impairment were indicated, according to investigators. Anyone with information about the incident or the identity of the woman is being asked to come forward. A shooting incident at the Mahogany Beach in Ontario St. Anne on Monday has left one man dead and a woman injured. The deceased has been identified as 45-year-old Shane Matadine, otherwise known as King, of Norbrook Acres Drive in Kingston and Mahogany Beach in Ontario. Reports are that about 9:30 p.m., Matadine was driving a gray Toyota Voxy bus along a dirt road with the woman aboard when gunmen opened fire on the vehicle. More details to come following further investigations.